I just got here to the hatchery to pick up our first set of chicks. We only live about an hour away, so we like to take the drive down here and pick them up. It's an option, but we're gonna go in here, pick up the chicks, and get them home and get them settled in. They just brought the chicks out to us. With the social distancing going on, they don't want us in the building right now, which I totally understand. But as you can see, they're all in. They're all in there. We got 190, and then this right here means that there's a little vitamin pack in underneath of them, so that when we get their water ready, we can put some vitamins in it to help them have the best start that they can. We'll shut the door here and get on our way home. I'm here at home, and I'm getting ready to get the chick pen better set up. So I need to add more shavings over here and some more shavings over there. I just wanted to get these heat lamps plugged in first so that they can get this space starting and getting to start to warm up. We want these chicks to be sitting at somewhere around like 90 to 100 degrees for these first couple of days, just to keep them extra warm. I also over here have some waters and feeders. So I'm gonna fill these two up with feed, and then I'm going to fill these, probably 3 of these, up with water, and then add some of that vitamin pack to it like I was talking about. And then once we get the chicks in here, I'll show you what we do next. So I've got all the shavings in here, and then I put feed in both of these feeders. And then I got 1 water set up. So what I'm going to do is get every chick out individually, and then dip their beaks in the water so they'll know where to find it. This box says it has 100 in it, and then I'll also count them, because sometimes the hatchery gives you a little buffer, like probably there might be like 104 in this box. So I'm definitely going to count them just so that we have an accurate count of how many we put in when we start. So I've got everybody in their new home, and as you can see, they're definitely a little cold because they're starting to bunch up like this. I'm gonna try and get some more tin and put some tin around these sides so that it kind of blocks the air and keeps the heat in on the outside, and hopefully that'll help keep some more of their heat in. But everybody has found water for the most part. They're still figuring out the feed. Otherwise, they're doing pretty good. It's day 2 for the chicks, and we just got done feeding them and filling up their waters. They drink about half to 3/4 of these 3 waters, and they probably ate about half of each feeder, which is pretty good for their first day. Each day will increase a little bit more to the point that we'll start feeding them twice a day, and they start growing feathers, so eventually they might look a little naked before they get all their white feathers back in, but that's just part of a growing chicken. So the chickens will stay in this pen until they're 3 to 4 weeks old. Eventually we'll move this barrier right here in the middle out of the way, and they'll have the entire run of the space. Once they turn 3.5 or 4 weeks old, we'll take them out and put them on grass. So look for some more videos of us feeding chickens, moving chickens, and doing all things chicken related.